Today I am reviewing Lenovo Tab M11. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a sleek, portable, and well-balanced Android tablet that won't break the bank, the Lenovo Tab M11 is definitely worth a closer look. This device strikes a great balance between performance, display quality, and portability, making it a smart choice for students, professionals, and entertainment lovers alike. Let's start with the design and build. The Tab M11 comes in a stylish Luna gray finish and has an ultra-slim profile at just 0.28 inches thick. It weighs about a pound, which makes it light enough to carry around without feeling bulky. Lenovo includes a folio case in the box, which is a really nice touch. You don't have to go out and buy extra protection right away. Whether you're tossing it in a backpack, carrying it to class, or keeping it handy while traveling, the Tab M11 is designed to be portable and practical. Moving on to the display, you get an 11-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. That's WUXGA quality, meaning it's sharper than standard Full HD. Text looks crisp, images are vibrant, and videos play with good clarity. The 90 Hz refresh rate also makes scrolling smoother than on budget tablets, whether you're browsing the web, reading, or flipping through apps. On top of that, it has an ambient light sensor, which automatically adjusts brightness depending on your environment, great for reducing eye strain whether you're indoors or outside. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Lenovo Tab M11 runs on the MediaTek Helio G88 Octa-Core processor. It's paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, which you can expand further with a microSD card if you need more space. For day-to-day tasks like browsing, streaming, video calls, and light productivity, the performance is smooth and reliable. Students can easily run note-taking apps, office documents, and web-based tools without lag. And if you like casual gaming, the G88 handles most titles decently well. It's not a high-end gaming tablet, but it does more than enough for the average user. Speaking of productivity, this tablet runs on Android 13, giving you a clean and user-friendly interface. Lenovo has also optimized multitasking features, so you can use split-screen mode to keep 2 apps open at once. For example, you can be on a video call while taking notes, or stream a lecture while browsing a reference site. With the included stylus support and pen in the box, it's also great for digital drawing, handwriting, and signing documents. Battery life is another highlight. Lenovo rates the Tab M11 for up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. That's plenty to get through a school day, work meetings, or long flights. Charging happens through a USB-C port, which is fast and convenient. And yes, it still has a 3.5mm headphone jack, something many people will appreciate if they prefer wired headphones. When it comes to audio and cameras, Lenovo didn't cut corners. The Tab M11 has stereo speakers that deliver clear and balanced sound, making it enjoyable for movies, YouTube, or music streaming. For cameras, you get a 13-megapixel rear shooter and a front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. While they won't replace your smartphone camera, they're more than adequate for casual photos, scanning documents, or hopping on Zoom meetings. All of these features are packed into a tablet that's highly portable, lightweight, and durable. Lenovo has clearly designed the Tab M11 with students, professionals, and everyday users in mind. It even ranks in the top 100 computer tablets on Amazon, showing just how popular it is among buyers. So, who is the Lenovo Tab M11 best for? If you're a student, it's a great all-in-one solution for note-taking, reading, online classes, and entertainment. If you're a professional, it works well for emails, presentations, and productivity apps on the go. And if you're someone who just wants a reliable tablet for streaming, browsing, and social media, the Tab M11 ticks all the right boxes without costing as much as a flagship model. To sum it up, the Lenovo Tab M11 offers a fantastic combination of performance, display quality, battery life, and portability. With extras like the folio case and pen included, it adds even more value right out of the box. If you're looking for a dependable Android tablet in 2024 that can balance work and play, the Lenovo Tab M11 is absolutely worth considering.